Today, we will share with you a scientific elixir to help your body burn fat and sleep like a baby. So, what is the purpose of allowing your mind and body to get into a deep sleep? Well, it's to allow it to affect the human growth hormone. Human growth hormone is produced in the brain in the pituitary gland, and it's important for growth cell regeneration and cell reproduction. This hormone will also speed up your healing after an injury and repair muscle tissue after exercise, but it also builds muscle mass, boost metabolism, and burn fat. So let me show you how simple this fat burning elixir is. But before that, let me tell you what it is made up of. So, the key ingredients in this elixir are chamomile tea, apple cider vinegar, lemon, and cinnamon. Chamomile tea is nature's miracle relaxant. This is not only used for stress reduction, but it has a calming effect throughout the mind and body. Chamomile tea will reduce anxiety and calm the nervous system as it relaxes the muscles and allows your brain and body to fall into a deep sleep. The calming effects of this sleep inducer is attributed to an antioxidant called apigenin. Apigenin binds to specific receptors in your brain. That's what decreases anxiety and initiates sleep. Now, apple cider vinegar has many medicinal health benefits. It lowers blood sugar levels, decreases insulin levels, improves metabolism, and reduces fat storage. It burns fat through the body and it helps suppress your appetite. Lemons promote fullness, support hydration. It will boost metabolism and increase weight loss. Lemon will help detoxify the liver and blood as it helps the body release toxins. The combination of this cleansing effect helps cleanse the body's organs and internal systems, allowing your metabolism to function at a higher level. Cinnamon also has powerful medicinal properties. It's loaded with antioxidants. It has anti-inflammatory properties. It can help cut the risks of heart disease. It lowers blood sugar levels and has a powerful anti-diabetic effect, but it will help fat cells burn lipids, which helps you burn fat and lose weight. So without any more time, let's get to know the recipe for this magical elixir. You will need 1 chamomile tea bag as well as 8 to 12 ounces of water, 1 to 2 of a lemon, 1 tablespoon of organic apple cider vinegar, preferably with the mother, and 1–2 teaspoons of cinnamon powder. You'll make 1 cup of boiling water and put the chamomile tea bag inside. Now add the ingredients into the cup and then add the apple cider vinegar, the cinnamon, and the juice of the lemon and let it steep for 10 minutes, and approximately 30 minutes before you go to bed, drink this down. These ingredients mixed with the chamomile tea are going to cause neurological stimulation within the brain, which is going to help increase metabolism, which in turn will help you burn fat easily while you sleep. We challenge every one of you to start using this elixir every night, and within 7 days you will see a significant change in your metabolism. You will sleep like a baby and you'll wake up refreshed and ready to take on the world. However, if you already have any medical condition, please consult a medical professional before adding this to your diet. The information provided here should not be relied on or used for any diagnosis or treatment purposes. I only wish you good health. Please share this with your friends and family and leave your comments. Stay healthy. Until next time, take care and adios.